Have you ever wondered what the world looks like through an animal's eyes? Or what it sounds like, smells like? We humans tend to think our way of seeing the world is the only way. But for the countless other species we share this planet with, reality is a completely different experience. Their senses aren't just weaker or stronger versions of our own. They're finely tuned instruments that shape their entire existence, from finding food to avoiding danger. So today, let's step out of our human-centric view and journey into the sensory worlds of animals. Imagine you're an eagle, soaring high above the landscape. Your vision is up to 8 times sharper than a human's. You can spot a rabbit from 3 kilometers away, a feat that for us would be like trying to see an ant from the top of a 10-story building. This isn't just about seeing far, it's about seeing with incredible detail. This eagle eye view turns the world into a high-definition map of opportunities. Now, let's dive into the darkness with a bat. For a bat, the world isn't seen, it's heard. They use echolocation, sending out high-frequency clicks and listening to the echoes that bounce back. These echoes create a detailed, 3-dimensional acoustic image of their surroundings, allowing them to navigate and hunt insects in complete darkness with pinpoint accuracy. It's a world painted with sound. This difference in perception is often a matter of life and death, creating a constant dance between predator and prey. A deer's eyes are on the sides of its head, giving it a panoramic view of nearly 300 degrees. This allows it to spot a predator sneaking up from the side without even turning its head. In contrast, a predator like a wolf has forward-facing eyes, giving excellent binocular vision and depth perception, crucial for chasing and pouncing on its target. One sees the world as a landscape of potential threats, the other as a field of targets. Or consider the world underwater. Fish have a unique sense organ called the lateral line, which runs along the sides of their body. This line detects subtle changes in water pressure and vibrations, allowing them to sense the movement of other fish, predators, or prey nearby. It's like having a sixth sense, a full-body awareness of everything happening around them in the water. But perception isn't just for survival, it's also for connection. Animals have developed incredible ways to communicate, creating complex social structures. Think about the beautiful, intricate songs of birds. To us, it might sound like a pleasant morning melody. But to other birds, these songs are packed with information. They can signal territory ownership, attract a mate, warn of a predator, or even identify an individual. Each note and trill is a word in a language we are only just beginning to understand. Dolphins communicate using a series of clicks, whistles, and squeals. They even have signature whistles that function like names, allowing them to call out to specific individuals in their pod. And it's not just about sound. Ants leave behind chemical trails of pheromones for others to follow, creating invisible highways that lead to food sources. For them, the world is a map of smells, each scent telling a story and guiding their actions as a collective. These finely tuned senses also give animals an incredible awareness of their environment. They're masters of adaptation. Many species have an internal compass that allows them to navigate thousands of miles during migration. Arctic terns, for example, fly from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back every year, guided by the Earth's magnetic field, the sun, and the stars. They are born with a global positioning system that we can only replicate with technology. Other animals use their perception to blend in. The chameleon doesn't just change color to match its background. It does so based on its mood, temperature, and intent to communicate with other chameleons. It's a living, breathing billboard. This deep connection to their surroundings allows them to anticipate seasonal changes, find hidden resources, and survive in environments where we wouldn't last a day. When we start to see the world from these diverse perspectives, something amazing happens. It fosters a deep sense of empathy and respect. We begin to understand that the forest isn't just a collection of trees, but a complex, communicating network. The ocean isn't just a vast expanse of water, but a world of sound and pressure that is home to creatures with their own societies. This shift in perspective is crucial for conservation. When we understand how human noise pollution can disrupt a whale's ability to communicate, or how city lights can disorient migrating birds, we are more motivated to protect them. We realize that our actions have far-reaching consequences in sensory worlds we can't even perceive, and the more we study animals, the more we are surprised by their intelligence and ingenuity. Crows in Japan have been observed dropping nuts onto roads at intersections, waiting for cars to run them over and crack them open, and then retrieving the nuts when the light turns red and the traffic stops. This shows an ability to understand cause and effect and to use tools, in this case, cars, to solve a problem. Wolves engage in highly coordinated cooperative hunting, where each member of the pack has a specific role, communicating silently through body language to take down prey much larger than themselves. These aren't just instinct-driven machines, they are intelligent, adaptable beings with complex social lives. They challenge our very definition of intelligence. So, what can we learn from all this? Animals teach us about adaptability, about being keenly aware of our surroundings, and about the power of different perspectives. They show us that there are countless ways to live and thrive on this planet. By trying to see the world through their eyes, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world, but we also learn more about ourselves and our place within it. It reminds us that we are all interconnected, a part of a vast and beautiful web of life. The world is so much bigger, so much more complex, and so much more magical than we can see with our own eyes. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the minds of animals. If you found this fascinating, hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the wild. Let me know in the comments which animal's perspective you'd love to experience for a day. See you next time.